Hello team, good morning, welcome back. As always, it's my last trading day of the week, but from next week I should be online on Fridays, so that's kind of good news for me. It's Thursday, August 22nd. We got some news already that passed that moved the market a little bit, and I like it. What was it? I think it was this one, German PMI. And we got more news coming later. Now at 10 o'clock there is something that is decent. I'm trying to check this trading view calendar. Yeah, they say it's red. Some calendar put it red, so yeah, maybe they're gonna move some market. Okay, so I'm not saying that the curve is complete, but we tagged a major liquidity, which is a monthly, and the stop run was 34 pips. So this is a serious stop run if we start to pull back a little bit. 34 pips is like literally weekly, monthly run, because they know that the stops are not like really above this one, but like a little bit higher. So if you study all ICT concept, you explain these things. The bigger the time frame, the higher the stop run should be, you know, like M15 you can find a 2 pips stop run, but on monthly I doubt. Anyway, what to do now? Yeah, I don't know. It's a bit too soon to say. I think a pullback is needed. We went up a lot. We went up inefficiently. Look on daily. This fair value gap. Another fair value gap here. I don't know. I'm not saying like we're gonna go down now in a straight line, but I wouldn't be surprised, because we tagged the big liquidity, and I want them to show some bearishness on hourly, and so far all the hourly structures are still bullish. But, big but, this one is a legit raid, and despite this one not be a real BMS, I think that this is like, this is the last support that made a new high. Let's go here. Look, also, look how beautiful what they did. They tagged the raid was after taking this flat top. It looks to me that it's setting up for some bearishness, you know, but it's a bit too soon to say. Also, they're gonna try to close the week in a bearish way. Let's see. This is the last base support. They made a new high. Okay, look at here. Price spent like, I don't know, like 2 hours. Yeah, something like this. It's a 1 hour candle. It should be. But this is an H1, okay? I'm not sure it's an inside candle completely, you know. But yeah, this is a candle that made a new high. Acted support, gave up, then they raided, and now they're pushing down. So I'm not saying that this is a completely bearish shift in structure. Once we close this H1 in a bearish way, well, it's 50 seconds left. I think they're gonna close down. But if they close like this, for me, it's enough to start to look for shorts. How long you wanna look for shorts? Yeah, that's a big question. I'm not saying that I will likely look for shorts that they go all the way down, but you know, at least until untested supports. This one looks untested to me. It's a big week, not fully mitigated, you know. If I see some bearishness here, I will likely take a short into this area. That's what I mean. So this is a valid raid. Now there is a valid M15 BMS. We are coming from collecting monthly liquidity. I think we are a good too short. Yeah, that's enough for me for today. I don't think we're gonna keep longing. I don't wanna long. Well, if we come here, if we go down from here and I see bullishness here, I'm allowed to long. But I don't feel comfortable to long after collecting so much, such a big liquidity. You know, this is still a valid resistance. You can't deny that this is a bearish of the block that made a new low. Look at this. This made a new low, you know. This was the low, and this was another one, and they BMS'd twice. So we are at resistance, guys, and this is a big resistance with a big liquidity collected. Sorry for the mess. So yeah, let's see what they do. I'm gonna speak to you on Monday and maybe some charts later in the Telegram group. Bye.